हेलो दोस्तों, तो कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। आज मैं फिर से हाजिर हूँ आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेकर। और आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप सबके लिए लेकर आया हूँ 7 अमेजिंग टूल जो हमारी लाइफ को ईजियर बनाने में हमारी मदद करता है। सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी दबाएं ताकि हमारे फ्यूचर में अपलोड होने वाले वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँचता रहे। सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
As a painter, you know that paint color matters to your customers, and they always have questions. What color trim goes best with this wall? What color is the paint on the house next door? Does the paint brand you use have this color? Can you match this rug? How do you get answers to these questions fast so that you can get on with painting? With the color reader, all those questions can be answered in less than a second, and that means you can paint confidently. The color reader identifies paint color instantly. Doesn't matter the brand, doesn't matter the color standard, doesn't matter where you find that color. Place the color reader lens on the color you want to identify. Then check the mobile app. It gives you the paint color you need, its name, its brand, its color number. And it also gives you a palette of complementary colors. No more guessing by eye. No more scrutinizing fan decks. No more awkward decisions with customers about subjective color decisions. Get the job done fast. Make your customers happy. Be confident with color.
Testing malfunctioning electronic devices with a traditional multimeter is a hassle. Dials, switches, tethered leads, and technical jargon add complexity and difficulty. And keeping track of measurements can be a real pain as well. Now there's an easier way. Introducing Vion, the world's simplest Bluetooth multimeter. Vion simplifies testing electronics for malfunctions. It can automatically measure electrical output and send data to smartphones. And the Vion app provides you a live feed of all the electrical measurements taken with Vion. Vion's unibody design makes it lightweight and easy to store, perfect for your workshop, your home, or your car. Connect Vion to your smartphone using Bluetooth and measure values in real time. Vion reads back stored measurements through voice guidance, so you don't have to worry about looking down at your phone. Vion gives you a simple good or bad result indicator, so you'll know right away in real time if your device is working properly. Vion has colored LEDs built into the handles for quick visual reference as well, flashing lights for connectivity status. Use Vion to check if your batteries are running low, if your electronic devices are working correctly, or if there are wiring problems in your home. Vion caters toward both experts and novices, and supports most functions found on traditional multimeters, so contractors and electricians can use it on the job, as well as a boy trying to fix his RC car. Reading measurements that Vion collects is easy, but for those who like data, you can review all the detailed information displayed in the Vion app. You can automatically detect the error of the device and have the measurements saved on the application. Vion is the easiest and safest way to troubleshoot problems with electronic devices. Vion eliminates the hassle and expenses of calling for repair services. Anyone can easily use it for countless situations. Unlike other multimeters, Vion has no body, making its paired probes easy to store and carry.
So, you want a quick way to measure stuff. What if you could measure anything just by walking? This is Mosure 1. It can measure as far as a 1,000-foot tape measure. Measure through walls and obstacles as if they weren't there. Measure winding cable lines or tracks. Measure angles and curves. Calculate the area of a room, volume for storage, or a shipping package. Get the right incline for your decking or stairwell photos. Find the right horizontal level and distance for your poster frames. Measure circular objects, cylinders, even irregular shapes. All with one hand. You just need to move it from one point to the other, and you're done. Other measuring tools fail when there's too much light, the wrong surface, or if the space prevents them. Because it doesn't use lasers or a camera, Mosure 1 isn't restricted by light or space. Use it anywhere, anytime, no matter the circumstance. Mosure 1 is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Your recordings are immediately saved in the app, which is already being sold in the App Store. The app also turns your phone into a rudimentary Mosier device and already has 70,000 downloads and a solid 4-star rating from users. So, how does it work? Mosier 1 uses an advanced technology called motion measuring. Motion measuring is the same technology used in rocket guidance systems to accurately track the movement and locations of rockets in 3D space. Using gyros, accelerometers, and magnetometers, Mosier 1 plots its three-dimensional position in any space to measure distance, angle, level, and much more. Mosier is the first motion measure device ever made for consumer use. It puts the same technology found in rockets in the palm of your hand. So, what are you waiting for?
Introducing Auto Escape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, Auto Escape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, Auto Escape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. Auto Escape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, Auto Escape is ready to go. Auto Escape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold Auto Escape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards the corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. Auto Escape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes.
Whether you are inexperienced, a handyman, or professional, placing a nail is extremely dangerous. Holding it in your hand is not safe. Imagine the risk it poses. Here's the solution: the Magnet Driver Nail Holder. With its special hardened steel tip combined with the magnet driver, you'll no longer be at risk. Place the nail in the tip of the bit and slide the magnet driver until it touches the nail. That's it! The nail is firm and stable. Look how easily you're going to be able to nail everything you need, with speed, with maximum dexterity and optimum safety. Thanks to the super powerful magnet housed in the head of the magnet driver, even the thickest nails will be held tight without hardship or effort. It's seriously impressive. No matter what type of nail is used, the Magnet Driver Nail Holder will accompany you. Whether you're a beginner, an expert with DIY, or a professional, it will become essential. Use it to assemble furniture, or, as you can see in the video, to easily and quickly place upholstery nails. It offers you so many possibilities. Nails for concrete, square, grooved, threaded, capped, round-headed, flat, or even without heads. The Magnet Driver Nail Holder can be used with everything. For decoration, it's ideal. Update the atmosphere in your home, installing paintings, clocks, and even curtains, as if you were a seasoned professional. Magnet Driver keeps any nail perfectly in place. Your fingers are no longer at risk anymore. Put together your own furniture, or repair broken ones. Assemble drawers, the frame, and even the handles. You won't be able to live without it. It will become an indispensable part of your toolbox. At ground level or high up, the Magnet Driver Nail Holder is unmatched. You will work in complete safety, reaching places almost inaccessible. The icing on the cake, nailing staple nails. It's practically impossible to place them without injury. Thanks to the Magnet Driver Nail Holder, you can now work safely. Don't look for expensive and unnecessary products. You already have the solution. With Magnet Driver, you can undertake the most ambitious projects. Magnet Driver Nail Holder. Buy it now.
Professionals know time is money. That's why Rigid gets you on the job faster. Just add your material, select your setting, and return when it's done. It'll let you know when it's ready. Once it's locked and loaded, the mixer does the rest automatically. Keep on task with the confidence of knowing you'll return to consistent working material. You can even program custom mix settings for materials suited to your preference and working condition. Rigid is built to work hard, but not hard to work with. Engineered to help lighten the load and cut down time, The ultimate mud mixer doesn't require all the extra tools like the other guys do. And when a job requires a more hands-on approach, detach it and take it where you need it. Built-in technology increases the motor's longevity and keeps you working day in, day out. Just like rigid tile saws, the rigid mud mixer is covered for life when registered for the industry's only lifetime service agreement. Free parts, free service for life.
The Case Prep Duo makes quick work of various reloading chores. The cordless multifunction tool accommodates case neck brushes, primer pocket cleaners, and chamfer deburr accessories. The swivel body and integrated rubber feet allow convenient benchtop or handheld use. The 8/32 spindle head can be used for various reloading functions, or remove the 2 spindle head and use it as a powered screwdriver with standard 1/4-inch hex bits. Spend less time at the reloading bench and more